How to fix a low memory warning Roblox error code 292. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to go to your local disk. And as you can see here, one of the reasons why you encounter this memory warning Roblox error code 292, it's because your C drive is full. So the default location for software installation is typically the C drive. It will definitely take up a lot of space if you install a lot of applications on the C disk. So you have to go back to the search icon again, tap add and remove. And what you want to do here is to simply uninstall any application that you no longer use or any useless software that you want to remove. Okay, so you just have to tap this three dots here and then click on install. Okay, so after doing this, it will somehow help you free up space on your computer's C drive. So that's it. You can manually uninstall programs you no longer want on your computer. Uninstall more programs here. Then after that, you can go back and see if it fixed Roblox error code 292. So apart from this one, you can also delete temporary files. Everything is up to you. So these are the ways on how to free up drive space on your PC. And that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.